How to sell a used truck trailer. When it comes to selling a used truck trailer, there are several key factors one should cover in an advert listing. Most importantly, make sure to provide the potential buyer with as much information as possible about the trailer you want to sell. Try cover the following points in your description. Explain why the trailer is being sold. Detail its maintenance history and roadworthiness. Mention accident history or if the trailer has suffered any previous damage. Consider informing if any parts need replacing. Give a good description of the existing main beams and trailer structure or chassis. Describe trailer floors, walls, covers, and tarps depending on the type of trailer you're selling. Confirm if all working parts of the trailer are operational and describe the condition of the following trailer components: support struts, toolboxes, tie-down systems, tanks, doors and seals, folding ends and locks. Explain the condition of the tires and treads, as well as axles, wheel bearings, and suspension. The more information you supply on your adverts, the better. It shows the buyer that you know what you're selling and makes for a better transaction with no hidden surprises. Visit Truck and Trailer, South Africa's leading commercial marketplace for trucks, machinery, and equipment.